Hello, it's Why Did I? And I'm going to be showing you how to build this helicopter off of Avatar. If you guys haven't seen the movie, you should really go check it out. But it's a really cool helicopter, and I'm going to be showing you how to build it today. So, yeah, we're going to start all the way over here. First, what you need is black wool, gray wool, glass pane, dispenser, iron bars, stone slab, and a wide pressed plate. So what you want to do, you want to place a block, 2, remove that one. You want to place 2 just like that. Oh wait, no, you don't do that. You do it right here. Then you place like 5, and then you want to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. You want to fill that in. Then you want to do the same thing like that. And it should look like that, but the only difference is this one has an extra block and that one doesn't. Then what you want to do is you want to get your dispenser. You want to place it right there. Alright? Then you want to go up like that. You want to do this kind of thing. And it looks like that. I'll place one out. And then, like back here, these 2. Just like that. I think that's how it looks. Wait. Okay, so we gotta remove a block. Okay, there. You want to do that. This took a while to build. So, yeah. It was hard. But then you want to get your glass. You want to place one right there. You want to place 2. And the first one should be lined up with the dispenser. You want to place one right here, right here. Then we get your plane and place them like that. Okay. And once you have had that, you are going to go up one right here, and then go up the same. Just like, I don't know, you're gonna go up 3 and it should look like steps. You're gonna go up 3 again. You're gonna get your gray wool. You're gonna go up 3. You're gonna skip 2. Go up 3. And that is gonna be your doorway. So yeah, let's build that. Then you're gonna do the 3 again. Excuse me. Alright. Alright, then then you want to get your dispenser and place it right here, just like that. And on the other side too, you want to place that plane behind it. Alright. Now, let me see over here. We did that. We placed the pane right there, as you can see. Alright. So now, you want to go out. You want to do one right here, just like that. This took a really hard time to build. I messed up a lot, and I did not like it, but I'm actually going to have to look over here because I forgot how to build it. Okay. So, you want to go over like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and drop one. Like that. I'm going to go out about 3. Oh, look. You got 3. You're going to drop down 1. Just like that. Don't look like guns. Starting to take shape. Then go down here and want to build these two. Just like that. When you want to go do that. And then you want to go out to where you are here. Alright. Then you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to do this, and you want to go out the same. Just like that. Okay. Then you want to get your black wool, and you want to go out like this far for 3. You want to start going less than that. Actually, no, we're supposed to remove this layer right here. And just do that. Sorry. Then you want to place some black wool like that. You want to remove these 2 right here. Alright. You want to place... Whoops. You want to place these on the side. And then... you want to fill in this block right here. Just like that. Well, I'm sorry, I kind of have a cough today, and I'm talking quiet because everybody's sleeping and it's night. That's what you're gonna have so far, though. Now let's move on to the wings. You just want to go 1 out on both sides. You're gonna do this, break that, go. Oh yeah, you're supposed to do that. Actually, no, do not break that, and then we can just do this. Just like that. Get your iron bars. Place them just like that. Get gray wool and place it right there in the middle. Do the same on the other side. Whoops. Alright. And now we do this. Just like that. Now on the back end, we have to remove this black. Put that over it. Then we're going to put 2 like that. And we're going to cross over it like that. Then, go out and do 2 like that. 2. Alright, let me look over here for a second just in case I didn't mess up. Alright, good. And then you want to go 3. Like that. And you should be done with it. You should be technically done with the ship. As you can see, we're done, except we just gotta add the hangers here. So you want to place a black wool right there. Black wool right there. And then get these and place them like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also want to go over that, just like that. Do that the same on the other side. And that is your Avatar helicopter. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. And today, I really had a big cough. And I'm talking quiet because everybody's sleeping and it's night. But I still hope you enjoyed. And I'm just gonna take a good scout of it. Wait a minute. What was I about to do? Forgot what I was gonna do. There. We'll just take a good scout of it. And that's the scout. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, like I already said. And goodbye.